Alright, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you the simplest day trading strategy. I am trading futures Nasdaq, okay? So if you want the full breakdown, it's on my page. It's like 3 videos ago if you want the full strategy breakdown. But in this video I'll just be backtesting from Monday to Friday, 3 to 7. And yeah, I'll do a little trade recap of each day. Yeah, so this week the strategy worked very nicely. Of course, the strategy works, but you need your mental and your psychology to work too. So I won 3 trades and lost 2, but I'm supposed to win 4 and lose 1. But yeah, let's get into it. So Monday, like always, we set up our lines. So previous days highs and low, sessions highs and low, and any gaps on the higher time frame. So I seen 2, 6, we had a gap right there. Scale down to the 1 hour, adjust it if needed, seems like it's good. And I just take the current day and the previous day. So for example, I won't take this right there. The most recent or fresh, the better. The setup will play out. So anyway, on the 1 hour, this is how it looks for Monday. Go on the 5. And let's see. So we're trading New York session. We look for trades after 9. As we can see, 9:30, we fill in this zone and this zone. Okay, so we know we have probably a setup on each side. Then I'm just waiting. 9:35, we came into this zone first. Since we got confirmation, we're in the trade. So here we go. I got my 1 to 2 not even 5 minutes later, which I show a video of me trading Monday till Friday. Everything's on my page, so we know it works. And yeah, if you wanted to aim for more, so that's what I'm thinking. So right now I'm just gonna talk to myself technically. I am aiming for 1 to 2s, but I know that I'm leaving a lot of money on the table. So I am thinking, do I just play it safe, aim for 1 to 2s? Because I don't want to end the day on break even. Either I lose because the strat just didn't work this day, or I make money. So I don't really want to break even to aim for more and then it end up reversing and getting 0, you know? So I don't know. Let me know, guys, what you guys do. Do you guys leave runners? Do you just take your profit and that's it? Because for example, if I'm risking 5k to make 10k, I'm not gonna complain, oh, I should have hold more, you know? I'm making 10k a day. But yeah, that's just something that I need to follow. Right now, everything is good. I just need to follow my rules. So 1 trade per day and trusting the setup. So yeah, I'll show you guys later what I did. So yeah, pretty nice day. If you wanted to aim for more, what you can do is aim for the next line to the next line to the next line. So as you can see, even before 10 a.m., we could had a 10 RR Monday very easily. But it all depends. I say easily, but who knows? Maybe it could have went here and then went straight up, you know? So yeah, that was Monday. Tuesday, same thing. And if you guys were wondering, here, let me show you. So ICT New York Open, those are my indicators, settings. This is what I have it, so right there. And then for this one, settings, I just have Asia range, London range checked. 17 to 2, and then 2 to 8 right there. So that's it. All right. So same thing as yesterday. Set up all the lines. 8. Then we look for any gaps. And we look for any gaps. So basically what you guys can do, it's each week when you're done trading and you're journaling your trades, you just go back test, see what you did wrong and everything. Very easy. So Tuesday, just mark any gaps that you see on the market, just mark them up. Then we can confirm on the lower time frame if it's good. 6 2, okay. Go back on the 1 hour. So Tuesday and Monday. So this is good. This 1 hour gap, perfect. And 7 8. All right. Then go on the 5 minute. Just very simple and easy. So adjust the gaps if needed. So if they make sense, just leave them. This makes sense for me. The other one was way too high, so I just didn't care about it. And then, yeah. Same thing. After 9. Nothing is happening. Perfect. We're still waiting. Not rushing the process. No entering for no reason. 9:30. That's why you wait for another confirmation, because let's say you just take it out on the first candle, you take the trade right there, you take an L right there, so you just wait. 9:30 we get into this zone, perfect. From there we got confirmation, rejection, everything's good. Now I'm just waiting for another entry point so I can enter right there, and I got it by 9:40. The second it reaches this line we're in, 1 to 2, not even 5 minutes later we have the profit. Now let's say if you wanted to aim for more, this is where you could have ate a big L, not a big L, but you know, the price ends up coming back, and if you had break even or anything, you get stopped out right there. So 1 to 2, very safe, very easy, and yeah, nice day. All right, Wednesday. Same thing. 8 and Asia right there. Then previous day's lows and high, mark them up. 4 hour, any gaps, 6 2, so I think this one is one right there. 1 hour, okay, makes sense. Then do we see any other one on the 1 hour? 7 8 right there, probably. Just mark it up. And yeah, we had those one right there, this one. So for gaps, guys, I don't normally fair value gaps. For example, you need 3 candles, right? And example, this is a gap, so you wait for price to enter right there, right? But I don't look for that. I just need 2 candles. If it leaves a gap, I put it at the wick, and I need the exact. So let's say I'm looking for a trade, I need the exact wick to get filled with a wick and then reject, so I can take it. Okay. So yeah. 5. Okay, so yeah, we make sure everything is good. I checked it on the 5 minute. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So 9, this line gets broken. There's no wick, so there's no confirmation of this line being a potential trade entry. There's nothing going on. 905, nothing. 910, perfect. We can see buyers are in, so we can see the reaction of buyers is very nice here. Even though we broke this line, we came out of it and did a rejection, only wick past the line, so perfect. Here I have an entry, a possible entry, okay? From there, I'm still waiting. 915, this gap that I marked get filled. This is a second entry that we can look for, so either this one, but the most recent, the better, okay? So keep that in mind. 920, nothing, all right. 925, this is the new potential entry from there, only wick, nice rejection. 930, so 930, what ended up happening, so this is the most recent, right? Me, what I did is, since I was looking for this, I was like, okay, strong buyer rejection and everything. I was looking at a trade right there. So 930, we end up filling in this area first. So I took the trade here. And then, as you can see, rejected right there. So I didn't get my full 1 to 2 and then ended up going the other way. So from there, I didn't break even, nothing. I mean, look, it's barely, what, 10 points to my take profit. So it is what it is. Why I did this? Because it wasn't the most recent rejection. So what I mean by that, 925, we got the rejection. I should have waited to, what's it called? So technically 930, I should have looked for trades right there, most recent and everything. Then got my 1 to 2 5 minutes later, perfect. You wanted to aim for more, you could, risky. I mean, price end up filling the gap that we marked right there, so pretty nice risk to reward. But as you guys can see, you do get a price end up coming back and maybe stopping you out or something. But from right there, what I can see, 940, we get another pullback and then rejection, nice rejection. But yeah, safer, 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3 even. I mean, I could go back test to see if I should start aiming for 1 to 3s. Could be nice. But yeah. So I was saying, right there we got our profit. Very simple trade. Let's say you missed it, 940. We came back into this area again and reject. So that's 2 entries right there. More entries past 11. I mean, I guess past 11. Let's see if it's end up working. Same thing, barely. So on the setup, so let's say you take the setup and you take an L, you're done for the day. You take the setup, but you end up getting break even. This is where either you look for another setup or you missed it and that's it. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. I know we had news, so you know, right there we did end up getting rejection and wicks, but it's so high into the stop loss, which is 25 points, that just seeing this would have been, I don't know. And we had news, so it's just risky. This was the ideal trade right there, which ended up working very nice too. So Thursday. All right, Thursday, same thing. Now Thursday is the only day which, if I was trading correctly, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I won. Thursday I lost, Friday I lost. Friday I lost because I was just stupid. The setup was very clean. But Thursday, here I'll show you guys. So let's get into it. 8. For our just any gaps, mark them. 2, 6. Adjust it if needed, so right there. And this, we don't need it. All right. Any 1 hour? Nope. But we do have this previous dates. Hello, I forgot to mark it. All right. 5 minute. So what ended up happening, so Thursday is still a good setup, but I didn't like it, so I didn't take it. The setup ended up playing good, but since I didn't take the initial trade of the setup, I just lost. Anyway, let me show you guys. Or did I lose Thursday? Here, let's just get into the setup. I don't even remember. So 905. Yeah, I remember. Okay, so 905. We do get this wick rejection, but since the body is very close to the line, like even by 1 bit, I didn't like it, so I didn't take the setup. So it ended up filling this gap, getting rejected, but it's so close that I didn't take it. Because we're waiting for second candle to come back to this area so we can take it, right? But since it's right there, we're not waiting, so it's an instant. But anyway, I didn't like it, I didn't take it. If you would have took it, let's say we don't care. We got the wick rejection, even though super close the body to the line. We take it, not even 15 minutes later, we got our 1 to 2. So this could be the initial trade for Thursday. Now, another trade would be, so 9:30, we break this line, no setup, no nothing. 9:35, perfect rejection. So what we do, we wait for the second candle right there, we enter, and we got our 1 to 2. But same thing, I didn't like this thing right there. So, very close. What I like is clear and safe. You get the nice rejection with the wick, the body not very close to the line, and yeah, we can enter. So look, let me just adjust it. You guys can see. So what ended up happening? So this is a very nice trade too. 1 to 2. You got your risk to reward here, and you're done for the day if you didn't take this one. But honestly, from now on, once the setup hits, I'll just take it and leave it. Either we take the loss, take the profit. That's it. It works. I mean, just how you see it, I guess. So what ended up happening is, since I seen this rejection at 9:40, I'm like, okay, next, let's say it pulled back, I'll enter again, which it did. It pulled back, but I end up just taking a loss right after 9:50. It goes deeper into my stop loss, and I get stopped out. So I was done for the day, because I took this trade right there at 9:45. So price, what did, I was probably up 100, and then yeah. So yeah, that was the trade. Here. Yeah. And then Friday was a beautiful day. I was being stupid, and since I lost yesterday for my poor judgment, I guess, I don't know, Friday I was trying to end up on profit, took L's, another L's. I'm allowed 1 trade per day. I took 2 trades, and yeah. Why? Because my initial trade was good, but I was scared I broke even. I shouldn't have broken even for no reason, and my trade played out, made me a lot of money, should have made me a lot of money. I was like, no way, I missed it. I took another trade, and yeah. All right, let's get into it here. But yeah, you guys can see, you guys can go back test. Strategy very simple. If you guys are enjoying it so far, what I ask, very simple, just subscribe. If you want to join Telegram, I help everyone out, so yeah. All right, everything marked. 4 hour. To this right there. So this was a gap right there, but since it was very close to this line, I just didn't mark it, which would be right there. So yeah, 1 hour, 7, 8. So 8 we end up closing right there. All right, 5 minutes. We see, does the gap make sense? If not, can we adjust it, refine it? If not, just remove it. So before 9, it doesn't even make sense. I'll just remove it. All right, simple as that. Okay, guys, before I start this Friday, I will just mark the areas up just so you guys can see how much trades we could have had. Let's start. Let me make it smaller, When I tell you the strategy, I don't know, it was NFP Friday or something. Who cares? Strategy works. Break offline. Now, the closer to our opening session, the better. What time is that? 10:45, yeah. So once the setup happens, it's better to take it and just be done with the day, Once set up, get your profits, you're out. But yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you probably get stopped out then right there. But yeah. Let's start. Let me remove them. Here we go. 9, we look for trades. We get this nice rejection. From there, when you're live in the market, it depends. On Top Step X, it was super close. And even here, what is this, 5 point? From there, there's a trade idea, a trade setup. 9:05, you take the trade. We're in. Stop loss covers everything, so we're good. And you get your 1 to 2 very easily. You want to aim for the next line, you can. That was first trade. Second trade, 9:10 rejection, perfect. I'm looking for trade. 9:25 we're in. And by 9:30 we get our profit. Same thing, you want to aim for more. That's a 1, 2, 3 right there. The problem this day, what I did Friday is I was aiming for this. So this was my trade. I even explained it in the video. But since I was aiming for this line, price ended up coming back. And I don't know why, I was scared. I broke even, but not breaking even. So what I mean is, how can I say, my break even was like plus $100, that's it. So price ended up coming, stop me out. I was like, no way, I missed this whole trade. You guys can see. Then I looked for a quick entry. I shouldn't have done that and took an L, and yeah. So really, you just need to follow your rules. The strategy will work. So first trade idea, second trade idea, setup, whatever you want to call it. 1 to 2, very easy, very clean. You're done for the day. Let's say you missed all of those somehow. Market were generous Friday. 9:50 rejection. From there you take the second candle trade entry, whatever, and right there another profit. I just want to see something. Basically 8x risk to reward right there. But yeah, from there, same thing here. We break this line, so no trade, no nothing. But it was kind of what's it called, risky. Why? We get the strong rejection, but it is out of our stop loss, so I wouldn't consider it a confirmation. I wouldn't take it. Right there though, we get confirmation, so I think if you guys would have took it right there, the second trade, you would have lost. But 1020, since we already got these confirmation and this is confirmation from there, you take the sell and get another trade from there. But no need for that. Let's say you missed this because it didn't fill the remaining points. First trade, missed it again. Second trade from there, after 10 news and everything, that's it. So technically there was 3 good setup on this trade on Friday. So yeah guys, that was the recap for this week. If you guys enjoyed it, like I said, just subscribe please. And if you wanna okay, I'm just mumbling, I don't know. So yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. And yeah, see you guys.